Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start a series on cybersecurity, and this is mostly for my Indian people. So let me introduce myself. I'm a cybersecurity professional, work from an organization, and I have done mobile application, web application penetration testing for various clients such as HP, Count, and many more. I'm going to introduce you about how you can pursue your career in cybersecurity and bug bounty in upcoming videos. So let's get started. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the securing of the information, securing of the infrastructure, securing of the mobile digital devices from the threats. Threat can be cyber attacks that the hacker can do, and other type of different cyber threat that are present into the market. So the security is divided into three parts: web application security, mobile application security, and network security. So these web series majorly focus on the web application security, and this series is majorly concerned for bug bounty because 95% of the program that are present onto any of the bug bounty program like HackerOne, BugCrowd, Integrity, and any other are 95% only are web applications, and only 5% left are APIs and mobile applications are there. So what is web application? The web application is simply just the pages which are stored onto the web server, and when you request for a particular page, the web server serves that particular page to you. Either you click on a link or some other request that you send to the web server. This is how you get a web application page in front of you. This is the normal and the basic definition of the web application. We don't need to go deep into it. From the security perspective, what I learned from my past year experience, you should know everything. You should know the basic of everything, but you don't need to go deep into everything. You are not a developer. You don't know should not know what is coding. You do not need to know what is hard coding and all those things. And the second important thing is the web application architecture. So this is a user like me, you, and this is the front end application. Front end application mean what I mean by front end application is a web browser. Even curl and telnet requests are also the front end, or we can say a web client agent. So what a web client do? Web client send a request to the web server for an image, video, or any other type of thing. Like I want to see this video on the YouTube. You go and search this into the YouTube bar. Then the YouTube front end send this request. Your browser send it to the YouTube server. Then the YouTube server check whether this is present there or not, and then serve back to you. The web server, this the request goes to the web server. The web server check into database and a file system whether this thing is present it or not. If that thing is present, then it will respond to you, and the front end server will present this thing to the user. This will display the result. If nothing is present, then it will represent 404. So this is the basic of the web application. In the next series, we are going to start the web different OS top 10, the security vulnerabilities that are present in the web application and how we are going to exploit it.